Alright, savvy travelers, let's talk about everyone's favorite travel perk rewards points. These little gems can add up to free flights, hotel stays, and even upgrades, making your next adventure even sweeter. First things first, if you're a frequent traveler and you're not using a travel rewards credit card, you're leaving freebies on the table. It's like walking past a gelato shop without stopping for a scoop. Two popular options are the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Amex Platinum. They offer generous sign-up bonuses and earn you points on every purchase, from your morning coffee to your plane tickets. But keeping track of all those points can feel like herding cats, right? That's where Award Wallet and Max Rewards come in. These handy apps keep all your loyalty programs organized in one place so you can easily see your balances, track expiration dates, and even get alerts for point-earning opportunities. It's like having a personal travel accountant keeping your rewards in tip-top shape. Now here's the real magic of rewards points: transferring them to airline partners. This is where you can really maximize their value. For example, you can transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards points to United Airlines and potentially score a business-class flight for the price of economy. It's like upgrading your train ticket from second class to first class. Same journey, but with added comfort and perks. Now that you're a point-earning machine, let's talk about putting those rewards to good use. Remember, the key is to redeem your points strategically for the best value. Think of it like bartering in a bustling marketplace. You want to get the most bang for your buck, or in this case, your points. Airlines often have different award charts, meaning the number of points required for a flight can vary depending on the route, time of year, and even the day of the week. It's like trying to decipher the price of souvenirs at a flea market. Sometimes you have to haggle a bit to find the best deal. That's where tools like Google Flights and Skyscanner come in handy again. They allow you to search for flights using your points, so you can compare different airlines and dates to find the best redemption value. It's like having a map that shows you all the hidden treasures in a new city. And don't forget about those non-flight redemption options. Many credit cards and loyalty programs allow you to redeem your points for hotel stays, car rentals, even gift cards. It's like discovering a secret passageway that leads to a hidden courtyard filled with delightful surprises. Alright, fellow explorers, let's talk about navigating those winding European streets like a pro. Because while getting lost can sometimes lead to unexpected adventures, it's always good to have a reliable map at your fingertips. And no, I'm not talking about those flimsy paper maps that fall apart after one rainstorm. I'm talking about the power of offline maps on your smartphone. First up, we have Google Maps, a trusty companion for any traveler. But what happens when you're exploring a remote village with spotty internet connection? That's where the offline maps feature comes in handy. Simply download the map of your desired area before you leave your hotel's Wi-Fi zone, and you'll have access to turn-by-turn directions even without a data connection. It's like having a local guide tucked away in your pocket, always ready to point you in the right direction. Now, if you're looking for an alternative to Google Maps, or you want to save on data roaming charges, Maps.me is another fantastic option. This app offers detailed offline maps for countries all over the world, complete with points of interest, hiking trails, and even public transportation routes. It's like having a comprehensive travel guide and a map all rolled into one convenient app. And here's a pro tip: mark your hotel or Airbnb on your offline map, so you always have a reference point to return to after a long day of exploring. It's like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs to guide you back home, but without the risk of hungry birds gobbling them up. Now, let's talk about navigating public transportation like a local. Because while hailing a taxi might seem like the easiest option, hopping on a bus or train can often be cheaper, faster, and a great way to experience the city like a resident. And with the right app, it's easier than you might think. Citymapper is a lifesaver for navigating public transport in big cities. Simply enter your starting point and destination, and the app will show you all the possible routes, including buses, trains, trams, even ferries. It's like having a personal transportation concierge at your beck and call. Plus, it provides real-time updates on delays and disruptions so you can avoid those unexpected travel hiccups. But what if you're directionally challenged like me? Well, fear not. Google Maps has a nifty feature called Live View that uses augmented reality to guide you. Simply hold up your phone's camera, and the app will overlay directions onto the real world, showing you exactly which way to walk. It's like having a magic compass that points you towards your destination with arrows floating in mid-air. And here's a bonus tip for all you public transport newbies. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Locals are usually happy to point you in the right direction. It's a great way to strike up a conversation and maybe even pick up a local recommendation or two. Remember, some of the best travel experiences happen when you step outside your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. Now, savvy travelers know packing light is packing right. But sometimes, deciding what to bring can feel like a trip to the chiropractor. A real pain in the neck. That's where technology steps in to lighten the load, literally and figuratively. First things first, let's talk about packing lists. Remember those scraps of paper scribbled with reminders always lost in the shuffle? Well, say hello to PackPoint, a nifty little app that generates custom packing lists based on your destination, trip length, and even the activities you've got planned. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need, from hiking boots to that all-important universal adapter. And speaking of essential gear, let's talk about luggage. Gone are the days of bulky suitcases with dead batteries. Companies like Away are leading the charge, pun intended, with sleek, durable luggage that comes equipped with built-in chargers. Imagine this: you're rushing through the airport, phone on life support, and your suitcase becomes your personal power bank. It's enough to make a seasoned traveler do a little happy dance right there in the terminal. But even with the slickest luggage, we all know the struggle of cramming everything into our carry-on. That's where packing cubes come in, those little zippered wonders that bring order to the chaos. Brands like Eagle Creek offer a variety of sizes to compartmentalize your belongings, maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. Trust me, once you go packing cubes, you'll never go back. It's like giving your suitcase a makeover, Marie Kondo style. Now let's talk about staying powered up on the go. We rely on our smartphones for everything these days. Navigating, translating, capturing those Instagram-worthy moments. But all that use can drain your battery faster than a gondola ride through Venice. That's why a reliable portable charger is non-negotiable. Think of it as your travel insurance for avoiding the dreaded low battery anxiety. Anker makes some of the best in the business, like their PowerCore series. These compact powerhouses can juice up your phone multiple times, ensuring you're never out of touch, or lost for that matter, in a foreign land. And speaking of staying connected, remember, not all Wi-Fi is created equal. Public networks can be a lifesaver when you're traveling, but they can also be a security risk. That's why I recommend using a VPN, or virtual private network, to encrypt your data and keep your online activity private. Think of it as a cloak of invisibility for your digital footprint. Now I know what you're thinking, Rick. This is all great, but isn't technology supposed to simplify things? And you're right. The beauty of these packing hacks is that they're designed to do just that. Streamline your travel experience so you can focus on what truly matters, soaking up the sights, sounds, and flavors of your destination. Well, folks, there you have it. A backpack full of tech-savvy travel tips to help you navigate the globe with confidence, security, and maybe even a little extra cash in your pocket. Remember, the beauty of travel lies in embracing the unknown, connecting with different cultures, and creating lifelong memories. And with these digital tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to embark on your next adventure with ease and excitement. Thanks for watching. If you found these travel IT hacks helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Go Globetrotters Travel YouTube channel to watch the rest of our important series. Life-changing travel tech hacks you can't afford to miss in 2025, must-have apps. Leave your comments below and subscribe to one another's YouTube channels so we can continue to share best practices and stick together within the Go Globetrotter community. Lastly, download this series to your smartphone so you have all these must-have apps at your fingertips when traveling. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.